Another guest, another great young person coming up today. He is standing by, and his name is Pontius Joseph. Pontius is an American author, poet, and filmmaker. His latest film was Chasing Jagger, filmed at Johnson & Wales University North Miami campus. But we're going to talk with Pontius today about his book. I believe it is his first book, and it is CSL, A Young Gentleman's Guide to Relationships, I believe is the name of it, and he's going to correct me if I am incorrect, but I am looking forward to speaking with him. I did breeze through the book as well, and it's a great, easy read, but without further delay, let's please say hello to Pontius Joseph. Hello, Pontius.
Hey, how are you?
I am doing well. Young sir. How are you?
I'm all right.
Now, how has that name served you all your life? Have you received a lot of flack for it, or has it made you more prominent among your peers? I just love your name, Pontius Joseph.
Well, appreciate it. Let's just say, I guess you can say it's almost been like vice versa. It's almost been kind of at times it's been a rough patch. Some people don't know how to pronounce it at certain times correctly. Yeah, but just before I go any further, happy Mother's Day to everyone in Atlanta.
I know that's right, Pontius. That is a good thing for you to say, and I'm certain that the mothers receive that. I've fostered enough children and helped with enough nieces and nephews to receive it as well. So thank you for that. Now, your latest film is Chasing Jagger, and it was filmed at Johnson & Wales University North Miami campus. Tell us about Chasing Jagger. Is that the Mick Jagger you're referring to? What is that film about?
No. Well, Chasing Jagger was actually one of my, it was actually a film I did for pretty much a film project at school and everything. And basically, that was actually my brother actually starred in the movie Benjamin Joseph. He's actually a great, talented individual. He's actually pursuing more of the acting career, and I'm just helping him out more. He's actually in the Little Rock region. But that film was basically more of just a short film. It was very simple. It was a lot of Adobe After Effects, motion, graphics, special effects, all you can name it. It was very in-depth. It was very contrary. I love making it. Love directing it. It was very intriguing.
Excellent. And people may see it online somewhere or just there at the university?
Oh, no. They can actually go on my website. I actually have a different website for that one. That is on www.roadtosuccessonwheels.blogspot. And if you go down there, it's actually many of my creations that I've actually made.
Excellent. Now, Pontius, I really want to talk with you today about your book, A Gentleman with a CSL. It's a young gentleman's guide to dating and relationships. And I did breeze through it. That CSL is just it's filled with tons of initials and acronyms and kind of metaphors, if you will, for this whole dating. And it's mostly geared towards how young gentlemen should conduct themselves, as the title says. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Now, what inspired you to write such a book?
Well, I can definitely say what inspired me to write the book was a lot of basically just a lot of innovating times I've actually ran into a lot of friends, and even with my close friends, and they had problems in their relationships, and they wanted me to help out. And basically, one day I was basically at work, and the gentleman, he was actually telling me about his problems that he was having, and even it was not even in the relationship. It was actually the fact that how he feels strongly about what aspects he wants in a woman and what he actually likes about a woman, let's just say, and what he doesn't like about a woman. And I was like, oh, okay, well, let me see where I can start. So,
my goodness.
Yes, it was. Let's just say this book. So it's very small in a way, but guess what? It took 8 months to actually make the book. And
I can believe it. It was a good read. It's about 62 pages. You call it small, but I think that's perfect for your first book. Is this your first book?
Yes.
I think that's perfect. And you take them from the basics all the way through the dating process. Now, before we go any further, you have to tell us what the CSL is. What is that?
All right. Well, yes, you're not the only person that's been budgeting.
Oh, well, I know. I read the book, but you tell the listeners.
Absolutely. CSL pretty much stands for cool, spontaneous, and laid back.
Right. And you take the reader through each one of those scenarios being cool, spontaneous, and laid back, right?
Absolutely.
And how do you feel this is helpful in a dating relationship, or why is it necessary to develop that kind of characteristic?
I believe it's definitely pretty much just the whole initiative of the necessary factor of having these characters in a relationship, because this is what women want. They don't want the boring Bobby. They don't want mad macho, McGregory. They don't want him. They want the nice guys. They want the people that's more adjustable, more lean back, more spontaneous. And I like the one chapter in my book is The Secret is Spontaneous, because some people, they have all the good characteristics, but they just don't know how to stand out.
Mm-hmm. And you teach them that. I love the scenarios or the different friends you have in your life. I think it was about 5 of them, and you described all of their different characters. That was hilarious. And so yes, I hope the book has helped them overcome a lot of those little idiosyncrasies that you pointed out about them in the book there.
Absolutely. Yes.
And you, Pontius, what is your theory on dating? How does this book coincide with what you believe to be true about dating?
Well, my theory on dating, I believe it is like, in a way, it is the man that is, the gentleman that is going to cater more to the lady. Basically, he's going to pretty much, be in the ways of a regular man. He's gonna take you out. He's gonna, have majority of the household pretty much in his control as well, but he's also going to know how to pretty much give out and delegate out power as well. I mean, because it's one thing for you to set a standard, but then you break your own standards.
That's
and that's
right.
What we call double standards.
That's right. So can I assume that you are lucky in love right now, Pontius?
Oh, yes, I am. Yes.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Very beautiful lady.
And what is your theory on the relationship, on keeping that lady happy? Or what is, how do you make sure that she's happy?
Oh, well, basically just keeping her happy is basically applying all of the CSL, definitely being cool, because some people just look at cool as just, he's a nice person, but the definition of cool goes a long way.
Mm-hmm.
It's more of what you show in your demeanor, how the way you act, how the way you present yourself. It goes a long way. And then to go into spontaneous, it goes into basically, how can I say, doing stuff not premeditated.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, I mean, sometimes you're gonna. I know you've and in all your life, and you've ran into a lot of different things that happen off of impulse, and you didn't even plan for it to happen. And to this day, you can remember that was some of the best times you ever had.
I might agree with that. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, let me go ahead and throw an example. A surprise birthday party.
Mm-hmm.
To this day, you can probably remember what day, what hour, what minute, because you remember how much fun it was, because you walked in the house and everybody was standing around, screaming to the top of their head.
That's
and
right.
It was so spontaneous, because why? You didn't plan for it to happen.
That's right. Now, you don't just talk about all that good stuff around the cool, spontaneous, and laid back. You give some basic, really gentlemanly-like qualities that young men need to have. You take it from hygiene all the way through the courting and the dating phase, and teaching them how to mirror the woman's actions and so on and so forth. So you really get kind of basic. You really go from basic to pretty in-depth here. So what do you think should be the overall goal with preparing yourself and dating a woman? What is the overall goal?
Well, the overall goal, I would definitely say it would be the military doctrine, shock and awe. That's pretty much exactly what you want to go into. You want to be able to pretty much have that wow factor that a lady wants in a man.
That's right.
I mean, it goes more than just, hey, how are you? It's like, hey, how you doing? So what do you do for a living? Or you got to ask something more intriguing, like, hey, I see you got a Dolce & Gabbana, fragrance you're wearing. I recognize it. You got to say something that's going to captivate your audience. And the audience is your lady. You got to know how to be spontaneous and cool and laid back and pretty much hit all the things that she can actually relate to.
Pontius, I think this book is wonderful, and I think you are as well. Tell us what else you have going on. How are your studies there at the university? Tell us where you are in school again.
Oh, well, I'm at Johnson & Wales University.
Johnson & Wales University, and you're studying hospitality, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you plan to do with that?
Well, basically, my hospitality, I can definitely see myself doing more journalism work just like this one, because I know how to be more hospitable. I'm actually going into the digital realm now. I'm actually trying to go into more of the innovating of films and videos and even commercials. That's what I'm definitely going into.
That's wonderful. And are your parents with you, Pontius? You were such a gentleman to wish all of the ladies Happy Mother's Day when you started. Are your parents still living?
Oh, yes. My mother, she's actually in the Arkansas region. My father, he's in the Missouri region.
Oh, wow, that's wonderful. So you won't get to see her tomorrow, but you'll get to talk to her.
Yeah, absolutely. She'll know she'll get that first in the morning text with all the smiley face and high captions.
Excellent. Tell the listeners where they can buy your book, how they can find out more about you, Pontius.
All right, well, perfect. Basically, I'm actually having a sale right now, and actually one of my official websites that I actually started about 3 or 4 weeks ago. It's on www.thecreativegentleman.weebly.com. And I'm actually having a book on sale for $11.96. It's actually originally priced $15.95, but I'm throwing a special out for the Atlanta residents. And basically, you can find me on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Google Play. That's on your Android devices. And basically, from there, you just go and have a field day or whatever fits your preference.
Excellent. Anything else you want to share with the listeners today, Pontius?
I love the support. I love for everyone to come out and support me in this endeavor. And basically, look me up on my web on www.thecreativegentleman.weebly and www.thecreativegentleman.blogspot.com. And just happy Mother's Day and have a great rest of the year. And if I want to leave with any words to say, men become more like gentlemen.
Excellent. That's a wonderful close. I appreciate your time today. Thank you for joining us here on Game Changers, and good luck to you with all of your endeavors, your studies, your filmmaking, and your books.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Pontius.
All right.
Wow, what a great young gentleman doing great things.